What the fuck is the matter with you? You thought it was gonna be another fat, funny motherfucker on the gram, huh?
Nah, man.
Did I tell you to talk?
I mean, fat, I was just trying to...
I don't give a fuck what you talking about, nigga. There would never be a fat, funny motherfucker on Instagram like me. Never! You hear me, nigga?
I mean, nigga, I just was
trying to... Shut the fuck up! Shut up! I tell you when to talk, nigga! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Nigga, you say something else. Say one more thing. Say it. Say it. Say it.